Hello everyone, welcome to BDS channel classes. This is Sanjay Verma, your science teacher. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about double displacement reaction. Okay? Double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Dear students, a double displacement reaction is that reaction in which two compounds react by an exchange of ions to form two new compounds. Okay, like as you can see here, this silver nitrate react with sodium chloride, formation of white precipitate of silver chloride formed and with sodium nitrate. Okay, you can see here, these are the compounds, that is silver nitrate react with sodium chloride, formation of white precipitate, that is solid called as precipitate of silver chloride along with sodium nitrate. Okay, here you can see that only exchange of ions takes place. Okay, the ion of silver and nitrate ion, this divided into sodium ion and chloride ion. You can see here the silver ion undergo with chlorine ion, means these two compounds exchange their ions. Okay, Cl minus go with Ag plus and form AgCl. Okay, and nitrate ion go with sodium ion and form sodium nitrate. Overall, you can say that in double displacement reaction, the two new compounds are formed by exchange of ions. Okay, next, dear students, a double displacement reaction usually occurs in solution and a solid product, that is called as precipitate. It observed in three forms over three reactions. Number one, precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction Number 2, neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. And third, gas producing or gas forming reaction. Okay, it usually observed in 3 cases. Okay, precipitation reaction, number 2 neutralization reaction, number 3 gas producing reaction. Okay, number 1 precipitation reaction. Okay, what is precipitation reaction? The reactions in which an insoluble solid substance is formed which is separated out from the solution called as precipitation reaction. Okay, for example, reaction of barium chloride with sodium sulfate. Dear students, when barium chloride react with sodium sulfate, formation of a white precipitate of barium sulfate takes place along with sodium chloride. Okay, you can see here, this is a barium chloride that is in aqueous form, react with sodium sulfate that is also in aqueous form. They undergo reaction and form white precipitate of barium sulfate along with sodium chloride. This is a precipitate that is separated out from the solution. Okay, so this reaction is known as precipitation reaction. Okay, next reaction is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Dear students, when acid react with base, formation of salt and water takes place. As you know that water behaves as neutral substance, so this reaction is called as neutralization reaction. Means when when acid react with base, formation of salt and water takes place. This reaction is called as neutralization reaction. For example, hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide, it form sodium chloride and water. Okay, you can see here, this is a hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide. This is a acid, this is a base. Okay, and there is a salt and water formed. The formation of water indicate neutralization reaction. Okay, next is gas forming. Okay, this is a third, gas forming. There are some reactions of acid with salt that indicate gas formation. Means when acid reacts with salt, there is a evolution of gas takes place. This is called as gas forming reaction. For example, gas forming reaction. Okay, for example, when sodium reacts with hydrochloric acid, evolution of hydrogen sulfide and sodium chloride takes place. Means this is a sodium sulfide gas or salt that reacts with hydrochloric acid. It releases hydrogen sulfide gas. Okay. So dear students, in my next video I will teach you about oxidation and reduction reaction, that is commonly known as redox reaction. Thank you.